Can I please ask Mr. John Domelita, the founder and CEO, to come on stage? Please give him a round of applause.
I've been a CTO for different startup ventures for 8 years. From being an interim CTO for different startups under Talino Ventures, to joining incubators like IdeaSpace, AIMDEI, and Antler, I found myself drawn to creating tech solutions for others. While I've learned from each one's mistakes, I've also learned from the successes of Big Dish, a restaurant reservations platform that IPO'd in the UK. While building the tech was fulfilling, I found myself wanting to make a mark in a space that I'm really passionate about. Joining this program has allowed me to take that next leadership step for a new journey. Hi, good afternoon or good evening na pala. I'm John. I have a lot of pets. So I have actually 4 cats and 6 dogs. Or actually 6 dogs and 4 cats. 7 years ago, I received a gift. Say hi to Milo. Milo is super energetic and playful Labrador. I still remember every time when I came home from work, I still remember how he wiggles his tail. But one day, he became lethargic. And after 2 days, he passed away. Our vet told us that the reason why he died is because of parvovirus. And it makes more sad because it turns out parvovirus could be prevented with a proper vaccine. I could have saved him if I'd known better. I don't want this experience to happen to anyone, especially to Filipinos that treat their pets as part of their family. Did you know that 64% of Filipino households have at least one pet? That means every kapitbahay that you have might have at least a dog or a cat. But taking care of them requires a full-time commitment, even a lifetime commitment. We want to spend more time with them. So it's our responsibility to give the best care for them. That's why I built PetoPass. PetoPass is an interactive platform for pet owners to get personalized pet care services based on pet data. Now with PetoPass, you won't miss any important things about your pet because PetoPass will have your pet. It all starts with your pet data. Once you register your pet, you'll get immediate access to valuable insights like breed history, their temperament, their ugali, if they're super seloso, the diet recommendations, the vaccination schedules, and even exercise plans. All of this data, saved securely on the blockchain, will enhance your understanding about the basic needs of your pet. Regardless of their age, PetoPass will align its recommendations to target the basic needs of your pet, grouped into nutrition, health, and play. PetoPass partners with pet-friendly merchants that doesn't only welcomes your pet, but also provides exclusive discounts. Pet ownership has been a rewarding experience for many. But with PetoPass, we make it even more fun and rewarding because you can earn points that can be exchanged with products and services, and also donate to charity. Our target customers are pet parents, those who are super willing to provide the best care for their pets. And we also target merchants that who want to tap these types of customers. While there are other products and services out there, none of them provides the convenience and the holistic approach that PetoPass does. The pet care market in Asia Pacific is already valued at 90.6 billion. And in the Philippines alone, the pet food market component of that is already at 1.2 billion, from which PetoPass will start first. PetoPass offers a premium model. From this, pet owners will be able to provide the best care services to to their pets. And after that, we'll be able to upsell our services and earn from those. Merchants will pay us a subscription fee to have additional access to sales and productivity tools, while we earn valuable commission rates from products and services available through the platform. Last June, we just launched PetaPass Premium, a subscription-based pet food delivery service, and in just 2 weeks, we're able to get $1,500 worth of subscriptions. As of today, actually, I think this is already gone up. We have 1,411 registered users along with their pets, and we have 52 merchant partners, 2 of which are insurance companies that will make it easier for pet owners to not only get insurances for their pets, but also for themselves. In the next 6 months, we plan to increase those subscriptions while also developing the core functionalities of our application. Again, I'm John. I have 16 years of experience in software development, focusing on web and mobile. I have been CTO for a number of startups. And to be told, I really want to have more time with Milo. But with PetaPass, I believe I can with the other 10 pets. So I invite you to join me on PetaPass, and let's have a step ahead for smarter pet care.